Hello friends and welcome to Amazon. For today's review, we have something truly special. The all-new Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. So let's find out what makes this iconic flip phone a must-buy for all you design and performance lovers. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer beauty of this phone. Premium design with aluminium frames and this beautiful outer display. Simply stunning, isn't it? Alright, now let's get started. First up, let's talk about the standout feature of this phone, the external display. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra boasts of a massive 3.6 inches OLED external display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate. The display size and its multi-functionality is simply impressive. You can access almost all applications from this display, eliminating the need to constantly open the phone, checking notifications, watching videos, doing video calls, using it as a makeup mirror, or even gaming. This external display does it all with ease. It also supports a mini desktop view with top 6 app shortcuts. Also, there are a number of live animated wallpapers, clock widgets, timers to suit your requirement. Not only is it convenient, it ensures better battery life. With a peak brightness of 1100 nits, you get clear visibility even in sunlight. Top it up with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. This external display is safe and durable from accidents. Motorola has truly stepped up its game with the Razr 40 Ultra. On the design front, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is surprisingly slim. The combination of glass and metal gives it an uber premium feel. This infinite black variant, the one I'm holding, comes with an attractive matte finish glass body. The vibrant Viva Magenta variant, which is also the Pantone color of the year, comes with a premium vegan leather finish with aluminium frames. The phone boasts a teardrop hinge mechanism with dual axis tracking, making it robust and smooth, providing a satisfying snap when opening and closing. The gapless design ensures a seamless fold and prevents dirt from entering on the main screen. It's the perfect blend of nostalgia and contemporary aesthetics. Now let's move on to its main display. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra features a virtually creaseless 6.9 inches OLED main display with 165Hz refresh rate. The screen offers an immersive experience for multimedia consumption, gaming, and productivity. This display setup is one of the most vibrant and bright in this segment. In terms of performance, the Moto Razr 40 Ultra delivers exceptional results as it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. You can enjoy high-resolution visuals while playing games or watching your favorite content. The camera capabilities are equally impressive, capturing sharp, detailed images and videos in dynamic lighting conditions with vivid colors and clarity. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, you get the power to multitask through multiple apps at the same time without any lag. One standout feature is its flexibility. The Razr 40 Ultra offers more flex angles, ranging from 45 degrees up to 130 degrees. This is amazing value addition for all you content creators and photography enthusiasts, as you can adapt easily and use the phone in different scenarios. On the camera front, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide aperture camera with OIS ensures stunning image quality and clarity in any condition. The primary sensor captures vibrant colors, sharp details, and offers good dynamic range in various lighting situations. The camera app provides shooting modes and manual controls for photography enthusiasts to experiment and unleash their creativity. Additionally, the 32-megapixel front-facing camera located on the external display enables high-quality selfies and video calls. The Moto Razr 40 Ultra's 3800 mAh battery performs admirably considering its slim profile. It easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy usage. The device supports 30-watt TurboPower charging and also supports wireless charging, allowing hassle-free and fast recharging when needed. With its inbuilt 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage, you'll have enough space to store all your precious photos, documents, and more. The IP52 Water-repellent feature ensures protection against spills, splashes, and sweat, providing peace of mind even around water. It runs on Android 13 with MyUX, offering a clean and intuitive user interface. Motorola's software enhancements including gestures, customizations and useful shortcuts enhance the overall user experience. These features make the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra a fantastic buy. It not only brings back nostalgic memories but also offers fantastic upgrades. With its powerful processor, excellent displays, impressive camera quality, fast charging, eSIM support and outstanding design, it truly stands out. I hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.